legs, Lord. Yeah, I met her on the 2 train, heading uptown back when I was on my raw game. Headphones listening to Kanye, lips like Kelly Rowland, hips like Beyonce. Sweatsuit and wave runners, my diva for like 8 summers. Straight stunners, stripping steak, eating like we hate hunger. Rockaway, broadwalk, shopping and some small talk. Sitting in the bag, case some stupid niggas want talk. Nights in the city, sipping white, living gritty. This the life of a hustler and my wife with the shitty. Bonnie to my Clyde, ain't no homies getting tried. And I don't do the clubs unless mommy get inside. Fuck around with Flea and you fucking with my lordette. They search but they don't peep the heat inside a corset. Coming home to place like my mama set the table. Booty so clean, bout to sign it to the label.
Put a brick in my bitch purse, and I don't count the money, get that shit to my bitch first. Don't fix it if it work, shorty gon' hold it down. I ain't talking gas when I tell you she blow the pound. Told her about the kitchen, now she cook, she be throwing down. I'm talking whole plates, it's a blessing, say your grace, amen. My bitch rhyme with a strap like some gay friends. Only time we play the back is when we play Benz, or play Benz, nigga. I send her with the 50 clip, we break ends, nigga. Yeah, we the modern day Bonnie and Clyde. Only thing I know for sure is that mommy gon' ride. Mommy gon' ease all my pain and fuck me out of my mind. Keep on the chain, she ain't dropping a dime. That's my down bitch.